In this lesson, you'll learn how to configure your walk-in manager settings. Employees can only be allocated visits if their employee level is set to Can Be Allocated. To access this setting, go to the Setup menu and select Employees. Click on the Levels button. Select an employee level and then check that the Can Be Allocated box is ticked for the relevant levels. Press Save to save any changes you've made. You then need to select an employee from the drop-down menu and make sure that all your employees are assigned to the correct level. Then save your changes. To access the rest of your walk-in manager settings, click on Configuration in the Setup menu. In the left navigation panel, click on General, then select Walk-in. Here we have a range of different settings related to the walk-in manager. The operator input options determine how you input a client identifier. Freehand allows you to handwrite the client identifier, keyboard lets you type in the identifier, and automatic number means that each client will be identified with a number. Your group input setting determines how you input the name of a group. Freehand allows you to handwrite the group name, or you can choose keyboard if you'd prefer to type it in. In the General Options section, you can choose whether you'd like to print visit tickets and print in-service tickets. If you have Use Opening Hours ticked, the walk-in manager will take into account which employees are scheduled to be working and whether they're clocked on or clocked off. Employees who are clocked on or due to start a shift will be automatically added to the walk-in manager. If this option is left unticked, only clocked on employees will be added automatically. Tick this option if you want to display service details while visits are in service. Ticking Show Groups means clients who are in a group will be displayed together under the group name. If this is unticked, clients will be displayed normally with a color-coded icon to indicate which group they're in. You can display the automatic employee allocated to visits in the waiting queue. If you uncheck this box, then the employee will only be displayed if they've been requested. Tick this box if you want to return to the walk-in manager after you end each transaction at the point of sale. You can choose whether you want to print the visit identifier on the point of sale receipt. The estimated wait time is displayed in the middle of the walk-in manager. If you untick this box, it will no longer be displayed. Check this box if you'd like to receive a prompt to add a tag each time you create a visit. In the Client Data section, choose Predominantly Collect if you want to be taken to the client list when creating a visit, or choose Predominantly Do Not Collect if you prefer to use a client identifier. Display Production Value relates to the information displayed on the employee buttons in the walk-in manager. You can choose to display their clients per hour, service revenue per hour, or leave it blank. You can also choose whether you want to allow multiple employees to be selected or only a single employee per visit. The estimated wait display can either count down from the initial estimate for a visit or always show the latest estimate. Showing the latest estimate will take into account changes to other visits that are in service as well as waiting. This means a visit's estimated wait time may change from the original estimate. When you're finished choosing your walk-in manager settings, press Done. Then restart Shortcuts to apply the changes. Now that you understand the walk-in manager settings, you can configure the walk-in manager to suit your business needs.